I bought myself a camera. Perfume mist. Look, go over Sephora now. What am I wearing today? Gap shorts. I think it's a Gap tank top. Oh, this love it. It's nice. Spray it on me. Spray it on me. It'd be so cute though. Cafe rosé. Smell like bathroom. Concrete. Oh, this one is good. Get a manicure. It's very alcohol based. Sephora. It's a good decision. Could have bought a plane ticket, but it's a good decision. I must sit beside it. How the lighting is looking. Ask me, are you crying? I'm trying to make breakfast. It looks so cute. Anyway. Who's crying? I'm trying to make breakfast. I wanted to put some tomatoes in the scrambled eggs, but hey. So we're doing some scrambled eggs. We're doing some scrambled eggs and some waffles. Let's get it. But I'm gonna put the waffles in the toaster oven. In the toaster. Recommendation that was given for 2 minutes. I need to get a tripod. I need to get a tripod because you're way too low. Today I want to go look on cameras. First I need to get like a SIM card. And two, I'm going to look at cameras. I'm gonna look on see if I can find. I'm really into the DJI Pocket 3. Something like that. So I want a camera where the color comes up right, especially in low lighting. So I want to go and look at some cameras today. That let me set my focus in. Did I tell you guys that I went to a game is nice and I won a Visa card? Like there was a competition that we're supposed to like secretly get people to do certain stuff, and we're supposed to get them to do 3 things without them figuring out that we're trying to get them to do the activity. So like for example, we're supposed to like the first one that I did, I was supposed to get someone to tell me their name and how to spell it, right? So it was a group of like people that you're not really like you don't really know. So that one was kind of easy for me because I just choose a random stranger and I was like, hey, how are you? What's your name? Because they don't know me, so that would be like a regular conversation that you'd have. And I was like, what's your name? How do you spell that? And they did it. And that was 1 point. And then I did some others. The most difficult one for me, like the most difficult one that night was I was supposed to get someone to ask me, are you crying? And I went to the kitchen. I went and I got some water and I put on my eyes. And then but I had to set it up. So the first thing I did was stub my toe and like hit my toe against something, but allow other people to see me when it happened. And then after, I went to the kitchen, put some water on my eyes, and then went around some other people. went around, you know. They eventually asked, you know, are you crying? So yeah, it was a fun game. I won a Visa card for like $100. So that was good. Ooh, the waffles are done. Let's see that again. Them could I get a little bit more time? Put them back down for like 2 more minutes. The eggs are finished. Get some maple syrup. That's what Japanese say, maple syrup. How the lighting is looking. Cheese. Because someone decided to bite a piece of my waffle. We have some tea, eggs, water, of course. We're having breakfast. It's late, but we're having breakfast. It's oily, but we're also trying to get a camera today. But why the cameras are so expensive? Oh my gosh, the cameras are so expensive. And I think we can't afford none. So of course we have the Sony. I was looking for the DJI. I have this one. I'm thinking cute, but at $800. $800 for pluggers, and I think it's very cute. Buying our first camera, and I'm going to use my little card that I won at Games Night. I'm gonna slide it in. It worked? Please enter your pin.
Hit the red button.
So I bought myself a camera. It was for like $420 or something like that. The Sony. We're gonna see how it works. I have 14 days I can return it by, and I have 14 days I can return it, and then if I don't like it I can always switch over to the DJI. Let's see. Oh wow, this kit is nice. I bought a kit of the smartphone mount. Bi-color lettering lights. Listen, I just want to see if the camera going to show me proper. That's one. This is a treat. I bought the Sony ZV-1F vlog camera for content creators and vloggers, and it was like about $400 and something. Yeah, kind of excited for how it's going to work. Yeah, I'm gonna look around. I wanted to get something over Whole Foods, but yeah, we bought a camera, and I'm super excited about that. The lady was so friendly and kind and sweet. I get the camera in 4 days. What else? Yeah, wow, anxiety. All right, anyways, my god, guys, I bought a camera today. Property. But I feel good. It's a good decision. Could have bought a plane ticket, but it's a good decision. I'm gonna stick beside it. I'm gonna stick with it. Anyways, we're going in Whole Foods, the market, to get some flour real quick. I wanted this to put on. I'm going to try this on salmon, and I wanted all-purpose flour as well. So we're going to go to the Apple store. Phone well outdated. Oh, a lot of people are working there. We're green. It's safe. It's so tiny. Listen to me. Like, boy, I don't know what to say, cause I'd love to upgrade my phone. I'd really love to upgrade my phone, but I'd love to upgrade my phone, but the price is what I'm gonna charge, baby. Over here, hot. It looks so cute though. Alright, I get one SIM card. I'm going to go to Walmart and buy the one from Walmart for a shine. Yeah, I'm gonna go over Sephora now. Wow, that was a bus. Look how cute I look. Booty. That restaurant has some really great mango coconut sushi. We're gonna go check out Sephora. Go check out Sephora. Okay. Bye Hero. Unleash your summer self. What's that? Perfume mist. Let me see. It's better alcohol base. Oh, this one is nice. This one is nice. Yeah. Let's try this one. Oh, the pink one is not bad, but this one is nice. It's 62 Brazilian Crush 62. That one is good. Very safe.
右边，小情歌都美得我们甜。咖啡。
Ooh, they have the Chanel. So this is what I have. Not really. Look at this. Ooh. Let me see if I can sniffy sniff. Oh, this one is good. Oh, this one is real good. Oh wow. Cafe Rosé. Smell like bathroom. Gonna try Marc Jacobs. Let's try Daisy Love. Oh, Daisy Love disconnected. Oh, Daisy Love is nice. Spray on it. Spray on it. Daisy Love is nice. Love Daisy Love. Love that. Daisy Love. You are so sweet. Let's try that. Oh, this is very florally. Spray. This is very florally. But nice. But let's try Burberry Black. Not so fun. I mean, it kind of money. Oh, my Burberry blush smells good. Smells really good. Oh, this smells really good. Put this one. Let's see what it's given. The K Ali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. Oh yeah, that smells like Candy Rock Sugar. I love this. This is what I love. I found this and I was like, oh, I have to get it because this one is nice. I tried the Jo Malone, the fresh one. This one smells really good. I think that is on this. I just been buying perfume. Let's try it. Hold on. Alright, so move this. So I'm going to buy this, right? But let's put that down. We found a good sis perfume. It smells very. Don't block me. It smells very like it's a mix between masculine and feminine. And it complex for real. Like it's giving complex. It's giving. It is a complex, vibrant, and unlike any other. Magnolia and musk. I can smell a musk. That's what I say. It's like masculine. Mingle with tangerine and Bulgarian rose. Rosé. I can smell the musk. Slight tangerine. Sensual and warm. Floral scent. It don't really have that floral thing to it. That's why I want this. Alright, so while I was in Sephora, I tried the Jo Malone wood, sage and sea salt, and I have a next one, fresher pear, English pear. Then I have a duo, a travel set. That smells so good. And then I have another one, Fraggiani something, I think. That smells really good as well. But I'm never sure if I do want to buy it or not. Then they have a set of Versace. They have a set. And it was going for, well, can't really see me, but me a talk. So the set did I go for like, the set was for like $25, but one of them a perfume and one of them a toilet. The Dylan Purple smell really good. It's a mini size and it was like for $25. Versace Dylan Purple smell really good, but the other one is a toilet, Versace Bright Crystal, I think that's the name of it. Yeah, I never really sold completely. So there's that. Ooh, a nail place. I'm gonna find out how much we do. One like a gel manicure. Let me go and check it out. I don't know if you can see me. Barely. I'm gonna check out the nail place and see how much them charge for the like a manicure. Facial waxing. My friend, how much for a gel? Ooh, toilet. Wanna use the toilet? Find how much for that gel manicure. Okay, so the pricing. I think I can come back here. Alright, so we're going to go in DSW shoes. Let's go see. So many shoes. And those. Made in Italy. These are comfy. Oh, these are so comfy. Crocs. Roxy. Oh, I saw these on Adidas. Them is cute. This bummer is really cute. Birkenstock. Anyways, I got my brother. This is cute. This is real cute. This is cute. But this can't fit me. Mark and Fisher, this one is nice. So that was one of my size. These are really cute. But can it fit me? Probably not. This is size 10. When is a 13? Let me see size. Ew, I want it in black. Black. Yeah, maybe same size. Maybe some can't fit. I think this is 10 or 8. Yeah, this is also small. Maybe. My feet are too small. Whoa. That's for like $40. Okay, what am I wearing today? Gap shorts. I think it's a Gap tank top. Tommy Hilfiger sandals. I took off my foot because my try on shoes. I think these are really cute, but I really like the brown one. I really like the brown shoes. I think these are really cute. These are them made in China. Not the fact that I'm made in China only, but the fact that I'm like right stitched. Right stitched, but then the rest of it is just glue. Guys, these are stitched. I love that. Okay, so we're going to have, mine was concrete. What else was in mine? Heat bar, marshmallow, caramel. That's about it. So this is basically like an ice cream. It's like the McFlurry that is sold by McDonald's. So I had a lot of combination in it, but it was pretty good. The brownie adds something. I didn't see the brownie. I added brownie to mine. I didn't see the brownie. I think it was more of a confusion than a soft serve ice cream, but it was good. I've had a long day. I'm going to bed. I'm going to shower. And then go to my bed. Period. Pooh. Get in there. Ooh, get in there. Wabba-doo-doo, 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 wabba-doo. I don't know how to do that dance. Anyways. How has it been? How was today? Today was long. I'm confused. Ice cream, that's enough. Anyways, I'm gonna bed now. Big up my Kate Spade earrings. I bought them from Kate Spade online tomorrow, but not today. Good night. Period. It looks so cute. Anyways, good night. Bye.
Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling